The perks of full-time RV living and work camping. It's my day off. It's a beautiful day out. Have my campfire going, making biscuits and gravy. Gravy is already completed. Experimented with my thermal pot. I put some water in the bottom of it. I put my biscuits in the top, and they are cooking nicely. I have to cook them in 2 batches, but it's still doable. And then I get to sit out and enjoy all the beauty. My hummingbird feeder I filled just 3 days ago, almost empty again. But yes, parts of this lifestyle may be a little bit slower financially, but the perks are amazing.